Good evening, Botswana. You're still hanging out with me, Situnya Sobedirain. This time around, Mo Francistown. Last time, Tonelo was here, Mo Francistown, with the top 10 contestants. This time around, I'm back here in Francistown with the top 5 contestants. Now, Botswana, remember to keep voting in loads and loads for your favorite contestants in order to keep them in the competition. I'm going to talk to them and find out exactly how they feel about having made it this far in the competition. What does being in the top 5 mean to you?
Well, as you say, Situnya, it was really a tough battle, and it was really an emotional one because Auntie is a really close friend of mine, and having to be on the other end, shooting at him and he's shooting back at me, really worked on my emotions, But then the fact that I'm here really shows that I fought, and the judges saw that I deserved to be here, so it really means a lot to me.
Tebogo, last year you ended up in top 5. What hopes do you have for yourself this year?
Yeah, what can I say? Okay, first of all, thank you Tebogo Botswana for keeping me again in top 5 again. And I believe this time they'll vote me again for the top 3. Because I really want this. I really want it so bad.
Kagiso is my star 08. So Kagiso, what does top 5 mean to you?
Top 5 means a lot to me. It took me like 6 months to get here, and ke batla go leboga Batswana botlhe ka bophara malahatshe le Africa botlhe. For the reason that I'm here, it's all because of you. I know we started off so bad, we didn't have votes, but God willingly, I'm here.
Dumelang Batswana. My name is Gaone, my star 09. I would like to thank everybody who voted for me. Thank you so much, and please continue voting for me, guys.
Hailey, this is your first time my star. So tell me, what does top 5 mean to you?
It means a whole lot. It's an achievement to me, and I'm really grateful to everyone who's been voting.
What would you like to say to Botswana?
Botswana, please keep voting. Keep me in the competition. I know I can do this, and I know I deserve this.
Before we head to the stage, I'm going to talk to a few people, Bama Francistown, and find out exactly how do they feel about us being back here again with the top 5. I'm standing here with 3 young ladies from Francistown. I want to know exactly how do they feel about us being back here for my star.
What
do you think young people can learn about my star?
Gore ba ska ba itsela go taso bana
Ba ska inyatsa.
ba ska ba inyatsa ga bana le talente ba temo master tabisa godimo.
Palesa was in the competition this year. So Palesa, tell me, what do you feel about this year's top 5?
Oh my God, I couldn't have stood a chance. They are so talented, and I am giving them full support. Yeah, full force.
Oh, they say Dynamite comes in small packages, and the top 5, oh my God, they've really proven it that they're going to, represent us, and I'm so happy for them, though. I'm happy for my sister, and she's doing a very good job. I'm happy for Tebogo, Kagiso, Gaone, and Noah. Oh my God, I'm so happy for them.
Starting us off is my star 09, Gaone, performing a song by Celine Dion, I Surrender.
There's so much life I will have to live, and this fire is burning still. When I watch you look at me, I think I could find a way to stand for every dream and for sickness on the ground, and give up this fear within of what would happen if they ever knew I'm in love with you. Surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I reach to you. I know you can feel it too. We make it through 1,000 dreams. I still believe. I make you give them all to me. I hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender. I know I can survive another night away from you. You're the reason I go on. and now I need to live the truth. Right now, there's no better time. From this fear I will break free, and again I will love, and no, they can't take that away from me. And they will see I surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I reach to you, I know you can feel it too. We make it through 1,000 I still believe. I beg you, give them all to me. I hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender. Every night getting longer.
That song, you sang it with all your heart. You had some glitches here and there, but I must say, you made it.
That was very, very, very nice. You worked so hard. Nice.
Yeah, I did it very well. You lost it at the end there. The last 2 or 3 lines went over the top and lost it. But, you know, you did very well on that song.
My star 09 to 14767. Thank you very much, Gaone. Hailey performing a song by Whitney Houston. Hailey.
Share my life only today and more. I will lift up my hand for the better days to come. Take my love, I'll never let you down, 'cause I know that I can, and I know that I know. Take my life, knowing that I can't pretend I can do it all by myself. When you take me to the lake, I am take my life, take my love, I'll never let you down. Stay with me for the God and none. Take my life, I'll never let you down. When I know that I know, for the God of my life. Take my life, I'll never let you go. No, 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 no. If you want to me, I'll never let you go again. I need you in my life. I will love you till the end of time, till I know that I got it. I will never let you go. Don't you walk away.
Yes, Hailey. That last performance, that last song, clearly one of the best for the season. Okay, but I would have liked you though to have interacted with him a little bit more.
Where has this girl been? Where has this talented person been? Because you have been the greatest person in this competition and you just left us. You went somewhere. If today I were to choose the winner, I would definitely choose you.
What was wrong? What was the name of the song?
I have nothing.
Sure. Did you sing I Have Nothing?
I did in my own version.
Your own version. You lost, even when you were supposed to go on change of key, you lost it. You sang the last performance you sang before this one. You used the lyrics of that song. You didn't use the lyrics of the song. You lost timing in the song. You lost the beat. You lost the whole song. Didn't work out for me.
She's Master number 21. To vote for her, SMS Master 21 to 14767. Thank you very much, Hailey. Remember that the grand finale is on the 5th of July at Busa Hall. For more information on that, what you need to do is call our offices on 3974-736. That's 3974-736. Up next, loving us with an R. Kelly song, When a Woman Loves, is Master number 01, Tebogo.
What a woman loves. Oh, she loves for real, yeah. Oh, what a woman love. Oh, she loves for real. With the very top of my head, and she, the girl she raised me, and forever we did it. I said forever we did it. Oh, forever we did it. To her cause, what a woman love. Oh, she loved for real. When a woman loves, oh, she took me back after I broke her heart 1,000 times. She really did. What a woman love. I like to tell her, forever we did it. I said forever we did it. Forever we did it. Oh, what a woman love. She really did. And she loves for real, yeah. Oh, forever we did it. Forever we did it. And forever we did it. Oh, what a woman love. It will never die.
You proved that you really deserve to be here.
Thank you.
Yeah, you worked so hard. Last year you left at this point. Yeah. So it's all about people that believe in you to take you further.
You put your all in it. That way it is. Very nice. But
Thank you.
I still have that caution. Just bring that voice. We try. There were points where you nearly went over the top.
A lot have been said, this is just the last kicks of a dying horse. Good performance you have displayed though, but the bigger picture comes next week when we choose the top 3.
Don't you know this is my star? I can win, I can reign, I will never win this game I can't erase, so I take blame. I can just not feel the same without you. Without you, I can't quit, it won't be right. All I need is you and I. Without you, without you, I will soar, I will climb. If you're not here, I'm paralyzed. Without you, without you, I can look, I'm so blind. Lost my heart, I lost my mind. Without you, without
When we picked you, this is what we saw. We saw beyond what we saw that time. Noah, you're such a model to watch.
You know, followers of this show in Botswana and elsewhere who watch this show, you know, if they didn't know before, now they know that to be a star, you don't necessarily have to be the best vocalist. Okay, because quite honestly, of the 5 of you remaining, yeah, I mean, you may be the weakest vocally of the 5 remaining, but star quality, they see your heels. I mean, they are all of them way behind you, and we're looking for a star.
You have what it takes when it comes to stage performance, and which is very good. I just wish I'm not a decider, but the public will decide who they want to win. But in that note, well done.
Vote for him, SMS Master, followed by his number 18 to 14767. Thank you very much, Noah. Up next, performing a song by Sean Kingston, Beautiful, is Kagiso.
You're way too beautiful, girl. That's why it would never work. You have me suicidal, suicidal when you say it's over. Damn, all these beautiful girls, they only wanna do you dirt. They'll have you suicidal, suicidal when they say it's over. See, you started at the park, used to chill up the dock. Oh, when you took my heart, that's when we fell apart. Cause we both thought that love lasts forever. They say we're too young to get ourselves sprung. Oh, we didn't decline, but we made it clear. Cause they also said that we couldn't last forever. Very defined, girl, you need to decline. Oh, you mess up my mind, you need to decline. Oh Lord, my baby is driving me crazy. Cause you're way too beautiful, girl. That's why it will never work. Cause you have me suicidal, suicidal when you say it's over. Damn, all these beautiful girls, they only wanna do you dirt. They'll have you suicidal when they say it's over. Listen, back in 99, doing my first crime, oh, doing my first crime, and I thought that we was everything, just turned out to be nothing more. And then I came out, mommy moved me down south, oh, we need to chill, it doesn't even matter. And I never thought that she wasn't girl for me. It's very defined, girl, you need to decline, but you mess up my mind, you need to decline. Oh Lord, my baby is driving me crazy. With me, too beautiful girl, that's why it would never work. You have me suicidal, suicidal when you say it's over. Damn, all these beautiful girls.
You did the best that you could to get people to keep voting for you, and today you worked enough for them to keep pushing you further to the top 3, because you deserve to be there as well.
Yeah, let me say a good performance, all the 5 of you. You deserve to be there, all of you. And you've displayed a good performance. I must say, like she has alluded, next week is going to be do or die.
You know, for me, I think you're really very talented. I mean, and I'm glad you came back. You deserve to win it.
Kagiso is MyStar08. Vote for him. SMS MyStar08 to 14767. Thank you very much, Kagiso. It's been a lovely evening right here on Francistown. Thank you so much for joining us once again. From me, Situnya Sobadireng, and the rest of my star crew, good night.
In my dreams, alright, I know I'm sorry. Jaga, I'm flexible.